Oh, yeah, one more Marco St. Augustine Anglican Basic School war Nungwa Efre Crow Municipal Assembly no was one more share school dan bia say Adankra do emienu omoja to ho bia na refie wo kai wo so wo mewie mfama won sebe ya wo masua ne adesua ebe mane mo so ewo ho awofo wo ma ekọ St. Augustine Anglican Basic School ye no wo Nungwa ede enkra emane Crow Municipal Assembly se wo mo homodian na daworoma adesua dan bia na nka wo sidiam adesuafo a be ye mfie wotweni wonwie ye no wosanso ma contractors nko biem enko bie ne kurakura emfama wo ma no na se wo mo etre dia adesua dan krampanyefo nsinwie ye ne ndanchen no ejana bia so wo honom no enhyeda nya adwuma abrabofo ne adesuafo ne adom kase 18 komo no wonsim bia wode tudwa eni
abandema mo fa no wo twakal ko ani ma wo sro and recently I was a car bomb afraid being uncotain into this kind of complaints not bad I wo fun yem hihye and there yam fra wo fa bibidem
eno achi chairman de mapiti wo school no mu enso so kato aso se san campaign for tumi aboa wo mu na de suadan wasi ade ama wo mu a osu se anka no beboa ama de suafo ampedodo na no wo mo ne number kire ba kire wo school no mu no etuo ebetwa.
The school have no toilet. We have no toilet. Either when the teacher is teaching, we lose the teaching. We can't sit down and learn. So we need to go out and poop. The time we will come back, the lesson is over. Our school is not completed. We beg him to come and complete our school for us.
Nano esi no assemblyman owo mpo abato empeso aso Labaran Abdullahi Osman enso din sem sei eto aso.
Mra na ye Lojokuku crew two constituency put together. Inti ye carve yen out of the Lojokuku no, we inherited this project and all other projects. But the difficulty on this project is that 4 years down the line, we are finding difficult to even trace documents. Yet baby to me who say, oh, one and away Jumano. But notwithstanding, the municipal chief executive, education director, including myself and coordinating director, yet to Anamwa, the level of this project initially we have put in resources in ensuring we get it complete.
When you hono municipal chief executive, you no ewo krowo Joshua Nibote and Soketwa to say when the assembly no be to yese de beya adesua dan yi wo mbetumi awie ade ama adesuafo ewo.
It hasn't been the same like this. I mean, it was very bad when I came, but I invested about 600 to 700, almost 600,000 Ghana cedis into that project. It's a huge project, as you said. So there's a contractor on site. He's almost finishing with the toilet facility. The information I have is that the whole facility is finished, especially the washrooms. They are left with the connection of the water from Ghana Water so that they can fully use it.